I meet people all the time, and I can never remember their names or their contact information, and I lose on so many opportunities because of this. So today, I'm going to build myself a CRM in Mocha. Right now, live, I'm going to show you. And we just released this new email feature, which is awesome, which allows you to just like send emails by just asking Mocha to do it. It's all built in, it all just works. You can send it from a custom domain. We're going to do all of this together right now. So I'm going to open up Mocha, and we're going to do create new app, and the app, I'm going to use Max, always use Max. It's so good. And I'm going to ask the AI to build this application. So let's go. I'm going to talk to my computer as one does in 2026. I want a personal CRM, one big text input at the top where I can dump messy notes about someone I just met, and the AI figures out their name, email, phone, and any interesting details. Show them at contact cards below. Let's use OpenAI. Cool. I'm going to kick that off. Boom. Mocha's doing its thing. So while Mocha's loading the first page of this product, I'm going to tell you a bit about emails. So we just launched analytics and emails. So today we're looking at emails. So Mocha now has a built-in email sending service. This works out of the box. It's included in your subscription. Each subscription tier has a certain amount of emails. And you can ask Mocha things like, hey, when someone signs up for my app, send them a welcome email. Or if it's like some kind of a social media app, every time someone sends me a message or follows me, send a notification email. You can use it to notify yourself, the admin of events, which we're going to do today. For example, in my CRM, when I add someone, it sends a reminder email to myself, and I can have Mocha also send emails to them to say thank you for meeting with like a personalized note. So you could use emails to engage your customers. It's actually really important to talk to your users and engage your users. And so that's why we built this feature. And the beauty is that it just works. And then we can connect our own domain and we can send to many more people. So I need to add my OpenAI key. So I'm going to like hide the screen for a second so you don't hack me. I'll be back in 1 sec. Okay. I just added my OpenAI API key. You can get one yourself. This is really easy. I recommend like trying to use AI when you build with Mocha because Mocha's really good at it and it makes apps like really fun. As we'll see, this should be a really fun app. Oof. Oh, I got the AI purple. Okay, I'm going to just show you a trick here to make things look better. I don't like the way this looks. Can you change it to be a minimalistic black and white theme? Maybe take inspiration from Notion or Apple. Okay, and we're done. This is really not hurting my eyes anymore. This is great. Now let's just try it out. Before we do anything with emails, let's just see if this works. So I'm going to say, I met Dave. I met him at like a friend's barbecue. He kept talking about his sourdough starter like it was his child. I think he works in insurance. His email is dave.martinez@gmail.com and his phone is 510-555-5555. Add contact. Does AI do its thing? There we go. It looks like it worked beautifully. Dave Martinez, it's got the right email, extracted the phone number, and it's got a little personal note. Okay, so our CRM, already an awesome app, to be honest. Next, I'm going to show you about emails. Okay, so let's start with a really simple one. When I add a contact, I want Mocha to notify me about it and remind me about the event. So I'm going to say, every time a new contact is added, please send me an email and let me know like the information about the contact that was added. Mocha, of course, knows who I am. I might have to hide the email address so everybody doesn't spam me, but like it's going to decide, oh, I know who the author, who the person talking is, and like I'm just going to send them an email every time this happens. Let's let it work and see how it works. Okay, Mocha's done. Let's try it out. So we're going to add another contact. I'm going to say, I just met Sarah at the coffee shop in Hayes Valley. She runs like a dog grooming business called Pampered Paws. She loves hiking, and apparently she's hiked like the Hollywood sign once. Her email is sarah@pamperedpaws.com with an H. Okay, so we have Sarah right here. Now, moment of truth. So I'm going to go to my email. I might have to hide some things on screen here for obvious reasons. I'm going to my email, and here we have it. Mocha Mail, new contact added Sarah, runs a dog grooming business called Pampered Paws. Original notes right there. It worked beautifully. Just to show you while we're here, you also have all this information in Mocha directly. So you can see like the email, what it was sent, the sent, delivered, opened. If it wasn't delivered, if it bounced, it would be visible here in undelivered. Okay, so we just sent an email, but this is all in dev, right? Like I'm in Mocha. This is my sandbox. It was kind of like using like a mail.app address. What we want to do now is publish this to a real domain, a real website, and then like send emails from that domain. And it's important that you connect a domain because if you don't connect a domain, we limit who you can send emails to. We do this for like spam and security reasons. So you can only send emails to yourself, your address. It's still useful if you want to do things like this, like notify myself, but it's not quite as good as if you want to email all of your users. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to, in the settings, I'm going to go to domains and I'm going to connect this domain. It's a beautiful domain name that I bought called This Is a Test of mochadomains.com. And I'm going to connect it to people I've met, which is this app. I've linked the domain. I'm now going to publish the application. So it's going to publish to my custom domain. I'm publishing now. now. Let's give Mocha 10 seconds. Boom, you just shipped. Okay, so I'm gonna copy link. I'm gonna try this out. Do we see our CRM? We see it. Right now it's not even open. We're gonna guard this with auth later, but for now anybody can add to it. So there's no contacts because of course this was my dev environment, because Mocha gives you a development environment when you're publishing here so you don't destroy your production website. And here the data is your production website, so it's different people. So we could add someone again. Let's do it right now actually. Let's say I just met Ben. He works for Cruise. He's a technical lead. His email is ben@cruise.com and his phone is 555-5555-5555. So we've added Ben. That's awesome. And we just got the email telling us about Ben. That's awesome. So let's go back to our app. Now I want to show you more things you can do with email. I want to do a personalized outreach. So let's add a button that does a personalized outreach. Let's say when I click a button, or maybe upon adding a personalized outreach email, and it sends it to them and it says something nice and it uses the AI. So I'll say, when I add a new contact, please write an email to that person and send them a custom short, nice little email that takes any kind of information that you collected from the notes and makes it personalized. Okay, it's done. So let's publish these changes. All right, so this is a new app, so I'm loading it up. So what we're gonna do here is I'm gonna add myself, my own email to the CRM. And that's gonna help because it means that we're gonna see both the email it's sending me, but also what it would send to me as like the recipient, right? As like the person that's gonna send a personalized note to. Nicholas is the CEO of Mocha. It's an app building company. It's a very, very good app builder for non-technical users. His email is getmocha.com. His phone is 555-5555-555. And a fun fact about him is that he has a dog named Zoe who is super high energy. All right, it seems like it added it. And look at that, only 5s on the number there. So now we're going to go check the email, and we should have gotten 2 emails, right? One that's notifying me, the only other side, like someone was added to the CRM, but also as the recipient, I should get like a customized, personalized email. Let's go check it out. And here it is. So there are 2 emails right here, new contact added, but more importantly, great to meet you, Nick. Mocha and Zoe. Hi, Nicholas. Great meeting you earlier. I'm really impressed by how Mocha makes app building so accessible for non-technical users. Aww. Loved hearing about Zoe. Didn't spell that right, but it's a close attempt. What a high energy pup. If you'd like to chat more, send me your full phone number, since I only caught the only 5s version. Looking forward to staying in touch. This is awesome. Do you realize how easy it was? Like, I just made something that's like genuinely useful that nearly every business could use, or even personal people if you like it. And notice that it came from notifications at mycustomdomain.com, which is really, really neat. By the way, in the settings, you can go and change this address. Like, notifications is the default one. If you wanted to send from no reply at mydomain.com, you could do that. And you can also change the sender name. So you can customize this quite a bit based on what you want your users to be receiving. We'll just go and check here in the menu. You could see all the emails here that are sent. And so you have all the analytics, like everything's here for you to manage, all built in, all part of Mocha. So how cool is this? Like, we made an app. We did it so that like you could use AI to do something like genuinely useful for you or your business. And then we integrated email to make it like a genuinely engaging application, both useful and engaging for ourselves and for our customers. Every single good business engages with their customers. It's very important. And email is like the #1 way that you can do that, which is why we built it into Mocha. We want Mocha to be the one place where you can do everything you need to do that has to do with your business website and automations. And that's why we launched email. We made it all built in. You don't have to subscribe to third parties. You don't have to connect something with APIs. It's just built into Mocha directly. In addition to email that we just covered, you also have this analytics, and you can see who came and visited your page. This is part of the same philosophy of what I just told you. We want Mocha to be the one tool you need for all of your business needs, and we're trying to make it all built in and just work. Okay, I'll leave you with one more prompt that I would add if I was building this actually quite seriously. What I would do is, this website right now, anybody can go in and is sharing the same database. That's not right. So I would tell Mocha, hey, I don't want it to be like one database on the website. I want people to be able to log in, have their own profile and their own CRM. And by the way, when they log in, send them a welcome email. So let's just do that before we go. Hey Mocha, right now there's one database and everybody's sharing the CRM and it's public, which is not great. I'd love for you to add users and authentication. Everybody gets their own CRM when they log in. Make a very simple unauthenticated login page. And when people do log in, please welcome them to the app. Let's call it People I've Met. All right, Mocha's off. Let's give it a second. And here we are. We're published. We have our authentication. I'm going to sign in. I've just signed in. I have my personal little CRM. I'm going to go check that I got a welcome email. And there it is. Hey, Nicholas, you've successfully signed in to People I've Met. Isn't this awesome? Mocha email, Mocha analytics, live right now. get using it. We're really excited about this. Email is a big thing that we've been wanting to build for a while. It was a non-trivial thing. No other app builder has this. Use this, build useful applications for your business, for yourself. Tell us what you think, give us feedback. We want Mocha to be useful to you. While you're at it, check analytics and tell us if that's working well for you as well. We hope that you're enjoying Mocha. Get back to building.